Hi to everyone. Here we are just going to learn Python, and we are going to be doing Python for the beginners who are new, just doing computer science and want to know more about Python. And here we are. We are just going to start by looking how we can download and install Python and do some exercises. And the one I will be using, I'll be using a code executor, which is Visual Code Studio. You can just use anyone that you want, depending on your what you like, but here I'll be using uh, Visual Studio. So let's run first and we go to the Python. We are just going to go to first search for Python, Python download, and they directing us. We are directing us to the Python official website where we can download latest version of Python that we can run to our PC. You can just download it through here, but I am after landing to this page. There is here near about. We also have a download. We can download this version, which is the latest one, but I'm not going to download it because I already downloaded it. So after downloading it, we come where it is and got in downloads. But I also installed it. If you double click on it, you will see a pop-up shows you that just wasting to install. But because I already installed I am running it, I can't install it again unless if I uninstall it and do the install. So you will hit the next button and first install it, and after installing, you just try with your visual your CMD, your command prompt. You just run it as administrator and to check if your Python is installed to your PC. Just CMD search bar and you run it as administrator. This is going to help us to know if our Python is installed to our PC before we go to the Visual Code Studio to check if we can run some codes and some exercises as new learner of Python. So after opening MyPython, we're just going to type Python / version to see the version of the Python that we installed to our PC. We are having Python 23. 0.3, 0.13, 0.3. As we see here, you see the latest version that we have to the official website of Python. So let's run to our Visual Code Studio where we will be finding what kind of exercise we can try to see what Python can do while it is installed to our PC. Here I was just trying to run these exercises. I just asked AI to provide some exercise that I can try to test my Python. If you can just ask ChatGPT to provide such short exercises, it can provide for you. But I'm just trying to save time. We can take this first, or we can type it manually. That's what I can recommend you if you are trying to know more about Python. But let's just copy and paste it there to see the outputs. Just we first assign it. We first took some variables and assigned them values. Here we have number one. You can just call it X, or you call it A, or we call it B. Just to it's a variable that we are going to assign a number, and then after we are just going to perform some operations to see if we take number one plus number two. What are we going to get? We also try some. We try some. Let me just add if in quantity or about division. Here we have different where we'll be taking number one minus number two. So what we can see, we'll also be taking product wizard where we are going to take number one times number two where we can get. So about quantities wizard, we'll be taking number one divided by number two. So what we can get. So here are going to be the print out results. So the results will be showing us about number one where we'll be adding to number 2 and we see what we get. There's some result will be different after subtracting, and even after a product result where we'll be taking number 1 and times number 2. So after saving the file, we'll be just go here in right upper corner, we see a playing button of run code. If we just hit it, it's just going to run and give us our execution. So you see uh, the addition of, okay, let me just first add the quantity of the division because I see it there. Just run it again because I added some. Okay, here we got addition of 10 and 5 is 15. Subtraction of 10 and 5 is 5. Multiplication of 10 and 5 is 50. As you see, it's providing outputs without errors. That shows our Python is running well to our PC by using Visual Code Studio. So try second exercises. We are just still looking about Python, and we just wanna see what we can do with Python. Here we were just done with operations things, and we found the outputs. So let's just also create another file called a simple interest. Let's just start by the one of simple interest things, where we are just going to also assign principal with 1,000, a rate of 5%, and time will be three years. Let's just you're just going to see the output of this one. We're just going to calculate the interest of the simple interest. We see that simple interest is simple interest. Simple interest will be equal principal times rate times time, bracket. I don't know if we can add divided by 1,100 so that we can print the result. We're just going to hit enter and print the result. Print function f the simple interest for principal amount of principal as this one as you see it. So just already here, and we see the output. If we save the file and run it, we will see that the simple interest PIDs have been running many codes. That's why I see the output. So I've been learning many codes. That's why you see many outputs here because of many exercises that we've been doing. So the simple interest for principal amount of 1,000, a rate of interest 5%, and time of period of 3 years is 150, as you see it. So let's just try another exercises about seeing the rectangle area, how we can calculate the rectangle area that we made with length of 10, width of 5. So they just calculate where the area is equal to length times width um, W should be in capital. So let's see the results. Um, we're going to command our Python to print bracket f means function. The function will be the area of a rectangle with length and width and with with width width again is area. Calculate and just say the area, and it will be just like that. So if we save our file and we run it, it will just give us the area as you see it. Yeah, I wrote the area. You see the mistake here, and I wrote R instead of area. Area, yeah, and we save the file again, and then if we run it, it will solve the real, the correct one. So the area of rectangle with length of 10 and with width of 5 is 50, as you see it. So let's just try in the comment, and you tell me what kind of video that you just want me next to do. We do it for you, and maybe next time we're just going to see how we can push our file to GitHub. So let me just thank you for being with me. Let's meet next time. Ciao, ciao.